YouTube Wagwan, man, you tune in to Click React, and today we're going to be looking at Adinross. He was issued a challenge by the man himself, the top G, Andrew Tate. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about this challenge, and if you could do this challenge yourself, man. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.
The first 2 hours, I did 150, bro.
In 2 hours?
Yes!
I can do 100.
You know what this challenge was? It was the push-up challenge. Just after they met in person, the man said, "Yo, I dare you to do this amount of push-ups on stream."
50 in 5 minutes.
Wait, was it a
You do 150 in 5 minutes right now.
I will actually do 150 push-ups in 5 minutes, no problem. And then what happens?
If you do that, then I will do another challenge. I'll go, I was gonna say bald.
Bald. That'd be good.
Adin is really built different.
No, Andrew, could he do it? No, he can't.
150 in 5 minutes?
He can't do it. No, promise.
You can't do it. 5
You know
minutes.
that I can do 150 push-ups in 5 minutes?
I mean, I think he can.
Easy. All right, let's go.
Hold on, Andrew. Before we lock the bets,
No, he might be.
he might be able to. Fuck.
Come on, 150 in 5 minutes. You taking the bet or not?
200, and you have a deal.
I just trained. You know the crazy thing about it is I just trained anyway. I've just finished lifting weights, and now I'm gonna do a bunch of push-ups on top to make
All
you
right,
shake your head.
this is the ultimate deal. 200 push-ups in 5 minutes.
Bro, Aiden's putting out these challenges. You can't do 10 push-ups in 5 minutes. Like, let's be real.
If you can't do it, I don't have to do the push-ups right now. We can do it another time. If you do it, I go bald, but I keep my beard and mustache because I want to look like I would look like you.
I don't think you would.
I can definitely do 200 as well, but now you're trying to change the game, so we're gonna stick with 150 to make it easy for me.
You
I have to
can't.
drive all day.
I'm scared, bro.
150.
150.
Say
15
goodbye.
5 minutes.
Say goodbye to your hair, Aiden.
150. It took you 2 hours, you dumb fuck.
I know.
5 minutes.
Bald again. I've been bald like times in my life, bro.
Whose
You're gonna
fault is that,
completely
brother?
Skin fade like me. You're gonna be mini pudgy G.
Like, what?
Skin fade with a razor blade.
You might lose.
150 in 5 minutes. Yes or no?
Yo, who is this
And
black
but
guy?
if you
like,
don't do it, then I don't have to do the challenge today.
Man's so wishy-washy with his advice. Yeah, he can't do it. Yeah, he can do it. You might lose that. Like, come on, bro.
Okay. 150 in 5 minutes. Hold on.
Yep, you can time. I'll do push-ups and you can do the time.
Bro, hurry up and take the challenge.
Bald?
Yes.
Man already knows he's gonna lose.
I'm gonna look so ugly, bro.
No different from now.
You look ugly anyway, Aiden.
Yeah, I agree.
I have a deal. I need to know right now. Come here. You're my final. Come here.
Bro,
And
I think he's doing.
Andrew offered me a deal. He said this, bro. He said 100. He said he's gonna do 150 push-ups in 5 minutes. If he does it, then I go bald. But if he doesn't do it, then I don't have to do this challenge. Can you do 150 push-ups in 5 minutes?
Yes.
100%.
100% you can.
What about 200? Can you do 200?
I'm trying to find
5
a
minutes?
realistic.
Go right in the middle. 175 and give action.
175. All right, let me piss.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh fuck! Oh my god! 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 What did I just do? All right. Can we talk? Can we read?
You losing.
50 push-ups, you dumb fuck.
What?
2 hours. What's wrong with you?
Can we renegotiate the deal?
Nah.
No, we can't. 2 fucking hours?
I want to do.
Do them in 5 minutes, like we agreed.
I would rather shave my. Listen. I'd rather shave my eyebrows.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's a nice yard.
Shaving your head, like we agreed. 2 hours to do 150 push-ups. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh fuck, Ant.
Dumb fuck. I'm
Is he
doing
gonna
some
do it
nice
now?
sunny morning push-ups. I'm gonna get serious with it. I even got push-up handles. Because I'm
Oh
a
my-
fucking professional.
See, like,
You
nah,
mess with
bro.
a professional athlete.
You can't use that, bro.
That's actually.
You don't want me to use the
It's
handles?
harder?
It's harder.
Oh no. Use it.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm not a little bit.
Ready?
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
All right, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3.
Those aren't
4,
even full
5,
push-ups.
6, 7, 8.
Those push-ups should not be allowed, man. A full push-up all the way down, all the way up. 2 second. What is it? 2 second down or 3 second down, 1 second up.
9,
That's
10,
not a real push-up.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Bro, that's
20,
not even a
21,
push-up.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
I mean, for the idea of it actually working your chest, it does work your chest, but it's not a real push-up. Like, you know what I'm saying? These are cheap push-ups.
Ready? Count. We're going slow.
31, 32, 33, 34. Those are push-ups? 7, 38.
You see what I mean?
40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51,
Yeah, I don't think Adin really thought this through.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
And
17,
I guess-
8, 17, bro. Stop. He's at 67.
How many are you at?
67, bro.
7?
Yes, you're at 67. Just wait, bro. You don't gotta dude, you don't gotta rush into shit. 8, 9,
done.
70, 71, 72, 73, 74.
That's already
75,
that's just a
76,
minute, right?
77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82,
But
83,
doing these baby-ass
84,
push-ups, like, come on.
85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91.
91. How many minutes has it been?
Minute and a half.
I
bitch.
can't calculate that, to be honest. I'm really not good at math.
91, yeah?
Yeah.
I told you I could.
92, 93, 94, 95,
Bro, this is not, honestly, this
96,
pisses me off. This is not a push-up. These are not real push-ups.
97, 98, 99, 100, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107.
Bro, at this point, it's worse than the start.
Go all the way up! Hey! Come on, Andrew. Go all the way up for me, huh?
I didn't go all the way
Pause.
up. Shut up. How many are we on?
109.
109.
Doesn't even sound like he's tired. You don't even hear any like breathing issues or nothing.
11, 12, 113, 114, 115, 116. I'm doing push-ups! 17, 18,
Like-
19, 20, 121,
These are not
122,
real push-ups,
123,
man.
124, 120. What was that, 123?
I mean, he already got it, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, is it 175 they changed it to, right?
That time I could slow as
Nice, beautiful morning.
Man.
I told you not to bet it, bro.
He did tell you
124,
that.
125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 31, 132,
Bad.
133, 134, 135, 136, 137.
These are not push-ups, bro.
Bro, it's like 139, 140. Man, that's not even a push-up, bro.
It's not. Those are not real push-ups.
2, 33, 44, 45,
Like,
46.
no tricep
47,
extension
48.
is going on.
2 more, no?
What?
How many more?
You're at 148, so you need I don't know the math.
27.
39, 140, 141, 142, 143, 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
15 left, yeah?
15.
No, wait, 150?
No, you had 150. You got 25.
Oh, he's 20.
160.
No, you're at 150.
No way we're on 150. That's a bullshit.
It's 150, or is it one? I thought it was 1.
Let's go, Andrew. Top
You
G.
have 25 more.
You lost.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, he's done at 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're done.
17. He
Huh?
has more.
How many more?
18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
5 left, yeah?
No, wait.
Yeah, you said 22.
How many more do you
There's
have
3
left, chat?
left.
How many? Hold on, Andrew. How many more do you have left, chat?
I've already done it. I'll do 5 more and that's it.
Yeah, I think he was done still.
Wait, Andrew, wait! You're done, Andrew!
How long was that?
You still had 16 seconds to spare.
Yep.
10 seconds to spare.
Basically.
with an easy 16 seconds left to spare.
Wow, bro.
I mean, you can tell like his chest is still like he got blood pump going or whatever. So it, as I said, like it's not full real push-ups, but they still are push-ups in a way. It's just a variation. It's kind of crazy though that Adin let him get away with that.
Try to count the bit and say if Ant do 100 straight, no stopping.
Okay. Can I give you a counter offer? Ant does 100 straight, no stopping. Can I at least have a redemption? Please, give me a redemption, please.
What
It's
does
only
Ant
fair.
have?
Because when you gamble, you gotta give a person a chance to get their double back. But you know I can't do that. Make it fair. If Ant can do 100 straight, no breaks, none.
What does Ant?
No
Ant
break.
have to do with
That's
anything?
Ant. That ain't you.
Yeah,
All right, how many do I have to do straight, no breaks?
100.
What you say? Your shit haircut.
Yes.
I don't know if you're allowed a redemption, Adin.
Please allow it, bro. I'm begging, bro. I'll never call you bald G or any of that shit ever again, bro. I'll respect your baldness. I'll respect you as a human being. I already do respect you as a human being. I'll get in the gym right fucking now and do whatever the fuck workout you want me to do. Please, let me redeem myself, please, bro. I'm begging you, bro. Please.
It took you 2 hours. It took me 4 minutes. You're a loser.
Low-key, little embarrassing.
Please,
still.
Andrew.
No wonder your girl's fucking someone else. You are a loser.
Man always goes there.
You're a loser. You're a loser.
Man saying just
Right.
smiling.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Okay, tell me.
You can do.
You lagged out. What'd you say? Your mic. I can't hear you, bro. No. I'm muted. You're muted. You're muted. You're muted. You're muted. You're muted.
Who?
Okay, I hear you now. I hear you now.
Now, let's see when Adin starts his
Yeah,
challenge.
make sure.
Nah, I ain't talking about that, bro. I'm good, bro. Chill out, bro. Come on. Get down.
Get in.
Can you go more
Yo.
out? You're like big as fuck. Sorry, I'm gonna go right now.
30 in a row.
Is this good posture?
A little wider. No, come out some. A little wider. Arm is wider, bro. Arm is wider.
Like this?
Alright, you're about to kill this man.
Yeah, like that. Come on. Get your ass there. Come on.
Stop.
Go.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. I mean, at least he's extending his elbows. There's extension at the elbows there. I'll give it that. These are better push-ups than what Tate was doing. To be factual, I don't know why he's humping the ground now though. What is wrong with this guy?
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, Ant is doing real push-ups. Andrew Tate was not.
Come on. 10 more. You leg. Come on. 1.
My guy's doing, what do you call it? Shoulder ups.
3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Come on. 6. Come on. 7. Come on. 8. Come on. 9. Come on.
What the fuck was that?
So, realistically, he didn't even do 10 push-ups.
First off, I have ever seen. Wait till you see that back on camera. What the fuck was that?
Yeah, this guy
How
was
you
like
fuck Adin?
air humping.
That's not why you don't have a girl anymore. What the fuck was that?
He said, what the fuck was that? Is that how you fuck Adin?
I mean, I think in general, this was just a bad challenge for Adin. Like, you know you're unathletic. He's built like a dad at this point, like a dad with at least 3 kids. So it was just not the best challenge for him. And he allowed Andrew to do, I don't even know what type of push-ups I could call that, because you know there's the army push-ups where you're going quick or whatever like that is, but still some little bit range of motion. Andrew was doing nothing. So basically Adin sold here and he let, you know, Andrew bye. Like, you know what I'm saying? Guys, let me know if you think you could do the 150 push-ups in 4 minutes. I don't think I could do it right now. I'm a bit sick, you know what I mean? But maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do it one of these days, man. Don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys later.